Hey there, fellow hustlers! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you achieve financial freedom and success. In today's video, I've got a game-changing method to share with you: how to make $100 per day with absolutely zero investment. That's right, no money required. If you're ready to learn a creative and effective strategy, make sure to stick around until the end. I know what you're thinking: is this even possible? Well, I'm here to tell you that it absolutely is, and I'm about to break down the step-by-step process that anyone, yes, even you, can follow to start raking in that extra cash. Step 1. Identify your niche. So, the first key to making money without spending a dime is to find your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you have knowledge in? This could be anything from fitness, cooking, fashion, gaming, or even rare collectibles. Remember, your niche should be something you love, as you'll be creating content around it. Your niche is what will set you apart from the rest and attract your target audience. The more specific you can be, the better. This way, you can tailor your content to meet the needs and interests of your viewers. Step 2. Create compelling content. Now that you've got your niche locked in, it's time to create content that grabs attention and keeps viewers coming back for more. Whether it's how-to tutorials, entertaining vlogs, or informative listicles, your content should provide value to your audience. Remember, the better your content, the more likely viewers are to share it, which means more eyes on your channel and, you guessed it, more money in your pocket. Step 3. Monetize your content. Okay, here comes the exciting part: monetization. This is where you start turning those views into actual dollars. One of the most popular ways to monetize your content is through ads. Platforms like YouTube offer ad revenue sharing, meaning you get a piece of the pie every time an ad is shown on your videos. But that's not all. You can also explore affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and even selling your own merchandise or digital products. Step 4. Consistency is key. Patience, my friends, is the name of the game. It's time for the fourth step: consistency. Building a loyal audience takes time, so it's crucial to stay consistent with your content. Regular uploads not only keep your viewers engaged, but they also signal to platforms that you're serious, potentially leading to more exposure. And there you have it, a foolproof guide to making $100 per day without spending a dime. Remember, it all starts with finding your niche, creating captivating content, monetizing smartly, and staying consistent. If you put in the effort and follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to financial success. So, are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below sharing your niche. I can't wait to hear about it. Until next time, keep hustling and chasing those dreams. Stay awesome!